Okay guys, so you're here today because you want to see a clean keto menu for one day. Now, if that's something you're interested in, stay tuned. Okay guys, now why do we always talk about clean keto? We always hear dirty keto, clean keto. Well, the truth is it's more of a spectrum. What does that mean? It means that when you come to understand your diet, you can see quite fully that you have something which is conducive, a whole food and really nutrient dense. That's clean keto. Now when you move along and you start to blur the lines, the more processing you get from humans, usually the dirtier it gets until you hit fully processed, and that's hardcore dirty keto. Now when you're looking at it, you want to have a clean keto menu, and that clean keto menu is not only going to give a fantastic ketosis situation where you will dump a ton of fat over a short period of time, and be nutritious for you with all your health needs so you do not suffer on the diet. That is clean keto. That's what you want. Now, you can go obviously semi-keto, dirty keto as well, and you can look at that later, and also dirty keto. All of them work, and all of them have their benefits. Now, obviously, the one that's the clean keto is by far the most beneficial one, healthy one, and the one that's in the middle, semi-keto, that one is probably the most followed by most people because it's convenient with some processed stuff, plus having lots of whole foods. Okay guys, so what we can see here is you can see keto breakfast. We're going to start off with the first meal, keto breakfast, which is clean keto. Let's have a look. Right, so we have here a cheese omelette. Now, a one-day clean keto meal plan. This is your breakfast, and it's a fantastic start that's going to satiate you for the full day. You're going to sit there. You have 3 large eggs in your omelette. And the reality is, in a diet, sometimes you'll just call eggs zero carb. The reality is there are some carbs in eggs. So I'm putting the carbs on here just in case, because sometimes you'll get zero carbs. There's nothing there to, don't take it as something which is not going to be conducive, because it's just normal, because they're so low by themselves. If you eat one egg, you have about, a small egg is going to be like 0.2, carbs, medium egg maybe 0.4, large eggs up to 0.6, and it's about that range. There's nothing in stone. So the whole idea is it's a kind of range, and again, that's why we say 0, because usually that's what everyone says, because it's for one egg it's way below even usually half a carb. Now, looking at here, I've done it together so at least you see it representing some, obviously, carbs. And so you've got 1.1 gram of carbs, and you have obviously your eggs, you have 0 carb cheddar cheese, make sure it's 0 carb, guys, and you have butter, 0 carb, and you have salt and pepper, no impact at all, but for flavor, but gives you your electrolytes from the sodium chloride table salt. So massive, fantastic benefit of the breakfast there. You can see here you've got your calories going down there, protein, fat, carbs in total, fiber and sugar. So they're just estimates there, guys, to help you along, because some people like to see a lot more information. You should be worried about the carb total right there, 1.1 grams. Now, it's perfect for a keto breakfast, high in healthy fats and protein, low in carbs, and this breakfast will keep you full for a very long period of time. Now, looking down here, you can see as well, you've got supplements. Now, I put the supplements here because they're daily supplements, and I take mine in the morning mostly. Sometimes I take one extra electrolyte pill in the afternoon. Why? Because I need to make sure by taking the tablet, I've got enough electrolytes. Because sometimes I go for a long walk, I'll do a run, and I know coming back I've sweated a lot. That means more electrolytes to make you feel better. Now, looking here, you can see obviously you take one electrolyte tablet to 1 to 2. You follow what it says on the bottle you buy. Here it goes, vitamin and mineral tablet, I take 1. Vitamin C effervescent, sugar-free, I take 1. Because it's obviously vitamin C helps replace the vitamin C lost through your urine. This is a water-soluble vitamin, and it's extremely vital for your body. It's also sugar-free, don't forget, and it tastes quite nice in the morning. Right, multivitamin gummy, I take an extra gummy, so 1 gummy for me usually, and that is because a gummy is a keto usually gummy, and that gummy will give you special things like caffeine. It will give you more maybe biotin, vitamin B7, because that helps break down fats. Some of them will give you MCT oils. Why MCT oils? Because they're a precursor, obviously, to make ketones. So they're conducive for helping to make ketones, and that's the main idea. So what we can see here is we understand that you're going to get everything you need, all your nutrients, your vitamins and minerals and electrolytes, and that's setting you up for a fantastic weight loss and happy day. Stop keto flu, you're sorted. Now, moving on, we want to look at obviously lunch. So your lunch on this menu is something which is absolutely delicious. It's a lovely, food. We've got fatty fish, salmon. Salmon is awesome, and I used to eat quite a lot of it. Going back, I went for a spate of eating loads of it because it's absolutely delicious. It's easy to prepare, very quick to cook, and it's just so tasty. You put a bit of butter on it, it's delicious. Now, I usually air fry it. You can pan fry it. I air fry it because it gets so crispy with a bit of butter on it, and it's evenly cooked all over. So I love that. Now, what you can see here is, again, it's 100% clean keto. You can have a bit of lemon on it. You can also have some spinach. Now, the spinach is going to give you some carbs. You're going to have a tiny bit of carb from the garlic and the lemon. This is negligible, fantastic clean keto lunch. So let's have a look here. You've got a salmon fillet there, 0 carbs, fresh spinach at 0.6 grams of carb. You've got olive oil, 0 carb, garlic, 0.4 carbs, salt and pepper, 0 grams, and lemon juice at 0.1 grams. Now, you notice it says here you're going to fry that with olive oil. Again, you can use butter or with your omelette. Why do you use butter, olive oil, or these type of oils? Because they're not dirty keto oils. Now, canola, sunflower, corn, all of these oils are seen as dirty keto oils because of the chemicals that are involved to process them. And again, you need these nicer oils because they're healthier for you in the long run. Now, looking here, you can see obviously you get 1.1 grams overall, and then you've got your calories there, you've got your protein, fats, fiber, and sugar. That's what you should understand in your mind is you should be focused on what carbs you're getting, and it's a clean keto source of food. It is. So again, it's fantastic there, it's super healthy. You can't put down a bit of salmon. Now, moving on now, guys, to your dinner. So a clean keto dinner, you've got steak, eggs, and broccoli. Now, this is a fantastically clean keto dinner. You've got whole foods all there. They're all fantastic. They're all beneficial. They all add nutrients. And most importantly, you're getting some fiber there from your broccoli. Other things you can get as well, for example, vitamin C and so on and so forth. But the whole idea is you've got supplements and they should be covering you, and that's your emergency buffer. You can make sure you've got those, and then everything you eat is beneficial. If you need it, you add it on. You just don't suffer from keto flu. So guys, fantastic here. You've got a steak, which is this one's ribeye, 0 grams, eggs, 3 large ones at 1.1 grams.
Broccoli at 3.1 grams.
You've got butter, 0 grams, and salt and pepper, obviously 0 grams. That's the flavor. And you get your electrolytes, sodium chloride.
6.4 grams of carb overall.
That equates to, again, obviously, a very low dinner in carbohydrates. Now, this is, again, a clean keto dinner. They're all whole foods, they're all beneficial. Eggs are fantastic, you've got choline in them. Acetylcholine is your neurotransmitter in your brain, and it's really vital. So the whole idea is that you're getting all these fantastic nutrients, fantastic food. It's going to keep you satiated, and you will not have hunger pangs, and your cravings will diminish over time. The biggest thing about clean keto is it's also wiping out all those chemicals. You wash them out of your body. You are now being not just a fantastic, healthy, operating on ketones and operating on fatty acids. You are also washing all those chemicals out of your body. You're becoming super healthy. Now,
okay guys, so here you can see the menu plan. And we can see 6.4 grams of carb overall. It's a fantastic amount. Now, with this amount, it's going to be really conducive for a keto diet. Again, you've got all 3 there, and you have breakfast, lunch, and dinner, and you've got all your supplements. So, all fantastically low and all conducive for a clean keto diet.
Or you're going straight into ketosis in probably going straight into ketosis in a day and a half to 2 days. So if you stay on something like that, that will make you get into ketosis extremely quickly. Again, the supplements are there because they're your daily supplements, meaning I take them in the morning, and then after a sleep, obviously, I think that's best. And then midday, if I do something where I sweat a lot, I'll take another electrolyte tablet. So, again, a very beneficial diet there, guys. Clean keto, fantastically healthy, guys. And I hope you liked the video. So if you have any questions, pop them in the comments, guys. Thumbs up and subscribe. I'll see you on the next one.